Hey there, friends! In this video, we'll make it worth your while with new interesting stories about the finds discovered recently. Let's get right to the chase. Luger pistol. Building a house is quite a troublesome thing, full of surprises, pleasant or not. Andrei Yevteev, a man living in Krasny Oktyabr village, Saratov region, learned that the hard way. He was dismantling the roof and discovered a mysterious wooden box with a pistol wrapped in a 1940 newspaper and cartridges for it. The pistol turned out to be a Luger P08 of 1910. This is a German self-loading pistol developed in 1898 by the Austrian Georg Luger, based on the design of the butchered pistol. He used specially designed cartridges with a caliber of 7.65 mm first and of 9 mm after 1902. The main advantage of the parabellum is the high accuracy of shooting achieved due to a convenient anatomical handle with a large angle of inclination and easy trigger release. It combined high power with sufficient compactness compared to other army pistols at the beginning of the 20th century. Complicated and expensive in production, the parabellum, however, turned out to be very successful and became an advanced weapon system for its time. Every gun collector wants to have such a gun. As a law-abiding citizen, Andrei took it to the police. After that, an examination was made which established that the weapon had no traces of corrosion and was fully operational. The police officers thanked the man and said that after the examination they would send the weapon to the museum. An ancient warrior. The burial of a warrior of the Saka era was found during archaeological excavations in Kazakhstan. On October 16, 2022, archaeologists discovered a partially untouched burial of a Saka-era warrior from 522 BC during the excavations on the mounds of the early Iron Age located on the territory of the Alatau district. Fragments of a sword decorated with gold were found in the grave pit, as well as ornaments for clothes made of gold leaf in so-called animal style. In addition to gold fragments, clothing accessories made of silver alloy were also found. The remains of the warrior were found in a wooden box at a depth of more than 3 meters. Experts said that the excavations are conducted annually, but such successful finds are rare. The last time gold fragments of clothing items were discovered in 2014. Thanks to this work, we get more information about the life of people of the Saka era. A cache of weapons. Russian police officers discovered a cache of weapons of a criminal group in the city of Saransk. The cache was found in the floor of a private house during construction work. The police said that the cache was hidden about 15 to 20 years ago. This is indicated by the rust on the metal. A total of 13 firearms were seized: submachine guns, rifles, pistols, revolvers, and more than 1,000 cartridges of various calibers. Most likely the owner of this arsenal is no longer alive, since no one has used the cache for many years and the house itself was sold to a new owner. All weapons were sent to examination to clarify their involvement in crimes.